The basics on omega-3 fatty acids. Before we delve into the transformative effects of omega-3 fish oils, let's first understand what they are and why they're essential for our health. Omega-3 fatty acids are a type of polyunsaturated fat that plays a crucial role in various physiological functions within the body. The three main types of omega-3 fatty acids are alpha-linolenic acid, also known as ALA, eicosapentaenoic acid known as EPA, and docosahexaenoic acid, also DHA. Omega-3 fatty acids are often referred to as essential fats because our bodies cannot produce them on their own. We must obtain them from our diet or supplements. These fatty acids are vital for brain health, heart health, inflammation regulation, and overall well-being. They can also help you in your weight loss journey, as they can help you to accelerate your metabolism. The importance of omega-3 intake. While omega-3 fatty acids can be obtained from certain foods such as fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines, flax seeds, chia seeds, and walnuts, many people find it challenging to consume adequate amounts through diet alone. That's where omega-3 supplements come in, providing an easy, convenient, and reliable way to ensure optimal intake of these essential fatty acids. Here are some omega-3 supplementation tips for your daily life. But how much omega-3 should you take, and when is the best time to take it? Here are some practical tips to help you incorporate omega-3 into your daily routine. Dosage. The recommended dosage of omega-3 fatty acids varies depending on individual needs and health conditions. In general, aim for around 250-500 milligrams of combined EPA and DHA per day for maintenance. You can even get up to 1 to 3 grams of omega-3 per day, with higher doses recommended for specific health concerns, such as heart disease or chronic inflammation. Timing. While omega-3 supplements can be taken at any time of day, many experts recommend taking them with meals to enhance absorption and minimize digestive discomfort. However, if you experience any gastrointestinal issues, try taking your omega-3 supplement with a glass of water and after a meal. What are the benefits of omega-3 to your health? Now let's explore the myriad of health benefits associated with omega-3 intake and supplementation. From weight loss, heart health, and brain function to joint support and mood regulation, omega-3 fatty acids offer a wealth of potential benefits for our overall well-being. Here they are. Heart health. Omega-3 fatty acids have been shown to lower triglyceride levels, reduce blood pressure, and improve overall heart health. They can also help prevent the formation of blood clots and reduce the general risk of death, the risk of heart disease and stroke. Brain function. DHA, one of the main components of omega-3 fatty acids, is particularly important for brain health and cognitive function. It plays a crucial role in brain development, memory retention, and mood regulation, making omega-3 supplementation beneficial for people of all ages. Inflammation regulation. Omega-3 fatty acids have powerful anti-inflammatory properties, helping to reduce inflammation throughout the body and alleviate symptoms of conditions such as arthritis, inflammatory bowel disease, and asthma. Metabolic accelerator. Several scientific studies have shown that people who take an adequate amount of omega-3 fatty acids on a daily basis have a better chance to reduce fatty tissue weight. These effects are enhanced if you combine your omega-3 with a nutritious, healthy food plan and regular exercise, turning you into a fat-burning machine. Omega-3 fatty acids are like a superhero for our bodies, fighting inflammation, protecting our hearts, and nourishing our brains. Incorporating omega-3 supplementation into your daily routine can have a profound impact on your overall health and vitality. What are the natural food sources of omega-3? While omega-3 supplements offer a convenient way to boost your intake of these very important essential fatty acids, it's essential to also include omega-3 rich foods in your diet. Some natural food sources of omega-3 fatty acids include the following. Fatty fish. Salmon, mackerel, sardines, trout, and herring are excellent sources of EPA and DHA omega-3 fatty acids. Flax seeds and chia seeds. These tiny seeds are packed with ALA omega-3 fatty acids, making them an ideal addition to smoothies, yogurt, or salads. ALA would act like a precursor of EPA and DHA within your body. Walnuts. Walnuts are one of the few plant-based sources of omega-3 fatty acids, making them a convenient food option for vegetarians and vegans. Choosing a quality supplement is important. When selecting an omega-3 supplement, it's essential to choose a high-quality product that meets your specific needs. Following, we have some factors for you to consider. Purity. Look for supplements that have undergone third-party testing for purity and potency to ensure they are free from contaminants such as heavy metals and toxins. Concentration. Check the label for the concentration of EPA and DHA omega-3 fatty acids, as this will determine the effectiveness of the supplement. Higher concentrations may require smaller doses to achieve desired health benefits. Form. Omega-3 supplements are available in various forms, including fish oil capsules, liquid fish oil, and algae oil capsules for vegetarians and vegans. Choose the form that best suits your preferences and dietary lifestyle. What happens if you start your 30-day omega-3 challenge? Now that you understand the massive importance of omega-3 supplementation, let's embark on a 30-day challenge for you to experience the transformative effects firsthand. Here are some practical tips to help you get started. Set clear goals. Define your health goals and intentions for the next 30 days, whether it's improving heart health, boosting brain function, reducing inflammation, or just losing some pounds. Omega-3 will help you with that. Establish a routine. Incorporate omega-3 supplementation into your daily routine, whether it's with breakfast, lunch, or dinner, to ensure consistency and effectiveness. Try to take you omega-3 fatty acids at the same hour of every day to make it a solid habit. Listen to your body. Pay attention to how your body responds to omega-3 supplementation and make adjustments as needed. If you experience any adverse effects like digestive discomfort, consult with your head healthcare professional. Keep in mind that adverse effects are mainly attributed to very low quality or adulterated supplements. The power of 30 days. So what can you expect after 30 days of omega-3 supplementation? While individual results may vary, many people report experiencing improved heart health, lower cholesterol levels, reduced blood pressure, and enhanced cardiovascular function, sharper brain function, better memory retention, increased focus, and improved mood and cognitive function, reduced inflammation, relief from joint pain, decreased inflammation markers, and improved overall well-being. Weight loss, less subcutaneous and visceral fat concentrations, improving body composition, thriving on omega-3. By committing to the 30-day omega-3 challenge, you're not just improving your health, you're embarking on a journey of self-discovery and transformation. Embrace the power of omega-3 fatty acids and unlock your full potential for weight loss, vitality, and wellness. Thank you for tuning in to Levitas. If you found this video helpful and informative, be sure to share it with your friends and family. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon to receive notifications for future videos on weight loss, health, and fitness content. Also, leave a comment sharing your questions, thoughts, and experiences with omega-3 fatty acids. We love hearing from you. Your support is very appreciated. It helps us grow and create even content for empowering you to achieve a better body and optimal health every week. Remember to fuel your body with the right nutrients, stay consistent with your training, and keep striving for your fitness goals. Until next time, remain tuned to Levitas for more expert advice to help you on your health and fitness journey. So stay healthy, stay happy, and keep going.